Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Fabulous95, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Waitress Mia and Tia from 2019, and it should have been in the Radio Springs series because it is not the normal Mia and Tia, but whatever, I guess. That's a packaging error. On the back, you see some cars. I have that 2-pack. Will I ever be reviewed on here? Probably not. I did review that. And, yeah, other stuff. So, let's get right into this. So I really don't know where to start since they're both twins, so let's just start with Mia, I guess. So Mia, as you can see, has gone back to an all red color. Has also the 95 decals and now works and flows. She has her waitress table and her Fauvier Cafe hat on the top. Their side's pretty generic. Tia, on the other hand, has 2 cans of oil in her tray, and the same thing at the top. You can tell who's doing more work, or who is slacking off, I guess. I don't even know. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to hit 500 by, I'd say, April, so is that probably going to happen? Probably not. So, I'll see you guys next time.